This video will show you how to attach a Cochlear SoftWear Pad to your Osia 2 sound processor. Always make sure to have clean hands before handling the software pad and your sound processor. First, remove one software pad from the box. Look at each side of the pad to find which one has the single backing strip. Remove the strip from that side. Then, locate the side of your Osia sound processor that shows the name and Cochlear logo. Attach the sticky side of the software pad to the sound processor so the circles are matched up. Now, press the software pad down on the sound processor to ensure it is firmly adhered to the sound processor. Then, remove the two semicircle backing covers from the exposed side of the software pad, and you are ready to wear your sound processor as usual.